How to add products to your Shopify store. Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you step by step how it's done. It's very simple, so let's just go ahead and get started. Now what we will be discussing is actually how to add products to yourself, so manually without having to import from different websites and so on. So in order to do so, we simply just want to log into our Shopify admin, and then from here we simply just want to click on products here. You should be able to see it at the top left. Once you click on that, you're going to be able to find the list of all the different products that you have, but obviously we don't have any. So in order to add some, we're just going to click on add product. Now from here, things are just going to be straightforward. You just want to add the title of the product. Just make sure you add a proper title and description, because these two are going to be viewable by the actual visitors. So in my case, because I don't really have a product here, I'm just going to add colors as if they are products. So we have the title red, and you can just go in and give it a description. Obviously you want it to be descriptive with your product because it's online shopping, so you want it to actually be very clear on what people are just going to be buying from you. Next up, you're just going to go ahead and start adding media. Now media is going to be either images or videos, and it's obviously just depends on what you actually have, but I'm just going to add this image, and you can add multiple different ones, and obviously videos are going to be the best option to go for. So if you have a video of the product, it's going to be best to add it in there. Next up, you can select a category. By default, it's going to select it for you, but if it's wrong, you can just go and choose the proper one for it. And here we have the price point. So the default price point, you can just go in and give it any price that you think is suitable. And you can even go ahead and add compare at price later on if you want to set up a sale. It's going to be within the compare at price. Next up, we have the inventory here. So you can just go in and add how many quantity you have. So if you have 15 pieces, you just go in and add 15. And if you want to be using SKU and things like that, you can feel free to do so. You just be sure that you know exactly what you're doing with it, because it's basically just for tracking and stuff. So if you know how to use it, you can just feel free to click on it, and you're just going to be able to add that right over here. Now for the shipping here, you can just set up the product weight and the different options for packaging. You can just leave it at default if it's going to be suitable, and just adjust the product weight. That is obviously if it's a physical product. Now here we also have different variants. So let's say you're selling t-shirts, you have different variants for it. So for example, the color could be a variant. The size of the shirt is also going to be a variant. So you can just click on add options. And then from here, we can just go in and give it a name. So for example, the size. And then we also are just going to be adding the different option values. So we can just do small, add another option, medium. Oh no, this is not the proper one. We just want to just add it right here. So medium, we just want to go for large as well, and click on done. And then you can even later adjust exactly each variant, how much it's going to cost. So if you want to have different pricing points for each one of them, and how many is going to be available for each one. And if it's, for example, colors, you can even upload specific images to each one of them. So once that's done, we can just click on save from the bottom right here. Yeah, I forgot to remove this one, so I'm just going to delete it. There you go. And you just click on save from the bottom right. And we are pretty much good to go. If we just go back to our products section, we should be able to see that we have one product in here. The inventory is basically in stock for the different variants and so on. So you can just go in and feel free to add as many products as you like. It's exactly the same process. And by the way, the status here is going to make a difference, so whether it's going to be active, draft, or unlisted. With that being said, hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.